Plan your next getaway in the Twin Cities Gateway. Here you'll find over 200 miles of trails that connect you to the Mounds View Scenic Circuit Loop, one of 9 communities in the Gateway. Download and print the easy-to-follow Mounds View bike map at tcgateway.com. Getting around by bike in Mounds View is a comfortable way to discover the area's secrets as you safely pedal the local trails and residential streets. On this family-fun 10-mile scenic bike route, enjoy a great mix of busy and calm as you ride from park to park along the creekside trails. We recommend starting from the outer parking lot next to AmericInn and riding the Rice Creek Trail on the south side of County Road H. Many enjoy fishing on the scenic circuit loop. Soon you are crossing over the railroad bridge into Long Lake Park. Soon the Rice Creek comes into view again, flowing under several bridges as the current moves towards the Mississippi River. Between the forest air, sounds, and wilderness sightings, it will open your true north senses. Here, safely passing through the tunnel under the highway to Locke County Park. After passing the dog park, the route turns back to the east, meandering up through a few neighborhoods to Silverview Park. Embrace the beauty of nature and enjoy endless active and recreational opportunities throughout the park. Park amenities include a disc golf course, horseshoe pits, and a chance to explore an abundance of waterfall and aquatic sightings on the paved trail around the lake. For more information, go to tcgateway.com. Plan your next bicycle getaway with family and friends in the northern suburbs of the Twin Cities.